Hi babe, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, at this portion of the vlog, I don't know if this is going to be a video on its own. It probably will be, but I am making some breakfast right now. I actually started at about, or thought about it, so about 9. It's like 11:17 right now, so it'll be like 12 o'clock when I'm finished, child. Always cooking late, but it's actually daylight outside this time, so it's during the day and not at night, or 4 in the morning, however you want to call it. But I am about to season this fish, so we are making breakfast or brunch, however you want to have it, call it. Got me a cup of coffee here. I drank most of it already. Cup says stay golden. I got this for Christmas one year. Love it. But yeah, we're about to season this fish. Need to focus. But yeah, so I already started. And then I was like, oh shoot, I got to film, so whatever. So it already, not whatever, but it has a little bit of seasoning on it. So we're going to do that. You can't see, honey, what's going on? Yeah, so let me show you my seasonings. We have the Kinder's no salt lemon pepper seasoning. Is that focusing? I don't even freaking know. Okay, I hope it focused. I don't know. I'm gonna put some Old Bay. This Old Bay is pretty salty, so I'm gonna have to really watch myself with this, because I try to watch my salt intake. Some onion powder. Let's see. Jeez Louise. I hope y'all can see that I'm saying it. And then we have the Badia roasted garlic. Let's say I'm making eggs, grits, and fish. Okay.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an episode that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. I think I need you here. I swear it's hard to keep these feelings to myself.
All right, so at this point, I mean, well, we just seasoned the fish. Now I'm about to put my grits on. So I'm gonna get some water out of the refrigerator, because the water from the refrigerator is filtered. I don't use faucet water unfiltered at all to like eat with or cook with. So yeah, basically just use it to wash dishes or whatever. So I am gonna get some water from the fridge. And put it in this pot.
Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. get away. Palm trees, beach views, living every day. All I wanna hear is in the visions that we play. Sit right next to you, you. I try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you away. Really, really wanna, I just wanna get away.
We're about to use the Quaker grits. I'm gonna see. I'm trying to determine, do these taste better than the Jim Dandy? Because the Jim Dandy, I love the way those turn out. So we're gonna see. I usually do cook Quaker, but I can't remember the taste. So I'll let y'all know. But yeah, let me anyway, I'm about to put my headphones back in and listen to Rochelle. It's my girl right here. Period. I just wanted to say I'm using my phone because I couldn't connect these headphones to my tablet, so I'm using my phone just in case anybody wanted to know, because I took my TV out of the living room, put it in my room. So yeah, I don't measure, so I just pour it in there, no measuring, just so you know.
Sit right next to you, I don't wanna kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel you, feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around. It's not that I want you here, yeah. It's not the way you say to my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. Can't get away. Palm trees, beach views, living every day. All I wanna do is in the visions I replay. Sit right next to you, you do. Try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you away, but we don't really want to. I just wanna get away and sit right next to you, I wanna kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel you, feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around,
and I put it on 295 so that way when I'm finished frying the fish, because I can only fit about 2 in the pan per time, each time. So yeah, I set it to 295 just so I can keep everything warm and everything can be real good once, you know, my battery is about to go dead. So I need to try to catch that before I miss any footage, alright? So we're just gonna keep moving along.
Fuck my baby, I'd rather stay up here. Can't get away. Palm trees, beach views, living every day. All I wanna do is in the visions I replay. Sit right next to you, you do. Try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you away, but we don't really want to. I just wanna get away.
conclude this portion, or this portion of the video, I'll be back to show you my plate and let you know how good it tastes, okay? I hope it tastes good. All right, here is the finished product. Okay. Taste the fish first, okay? Taste that first. Please, Lord, don't let it be salty or nothing like that, because I didn't put a lot on there. It's not salty, it's seasoned just right. Not too salty, not too seasoned. Anyway, I'm trying to break this fish. I need to get a knife. Taste the grits. I'm gonna taste everything one by one. Well, no, we're not. I'm gonna taste the grits and the eggs together, honey. Got to mix it. That's good. I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy my food, and I'm gonna put this down because it's hot. Thank y'all for joining me this far. I want to go ahead and eat and enjoy my food, and I will see you in the next video, babe. Take care of yourself. I know that things are always working out for you. No matter how it looks right now, it's gonna work out. You know, it's just a matter of time. So yeah, see you in the next video. Till next time, babe. Bye.